Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bump is shaped like a deer. DUI, how about you die? I'll go 100 miles an hour. Little do you know, I filled up on gas. I'm a kid, you're bound to make an ass. Pulverize this fog with my friggin' truck. It seems you're out of luck. Truck! Here's to my right, beer in my left hand, leaving my seventh red light in the past. Sorry, Miss Undyne, I don't get the signs. The king has come to drive. Tires burning rubber, skidding off the ground, breaking all laws known to monster kind. I don't give a fuck, I won't slow down. Soon you will fall behind. Rocking up the lawn with my steering wheel, flashing my headlights just to see you scream. When I get my chariot, you better kneel, for the king's blowing steel.